students, how are you all? Welcome to today's session. Today we'll be studying tags in HTML and its uses. So today we'll be discussing some of the tags. First, paragraph tag, second, BR tag, third, base font tag, fourth, font tag. Let's discuss these tags one by one. First, paragraph tag. Paragraph tag is a formatting tag which marks the beginning of a new paragraph. It is a container element. It defines a paragraph of text. BR tag. Insert a line break into a text font. It is a empty element. Its attribute none. So we will be discussing these two tags with example and in detail. So now you will understand paragraph tag and BR tag with example. Example first, body PLN equals to left, Mera slash P PLN equals to center, Bharat slash P PLN equals to right, Mahan slash P slash body. So in this example, we have used align attribute with paragraph tag. So using this align attribute, we can place the text left at the center and right. In the second example, we have used paragraph tag and BR tag. Using these two tags, we can make our text quite dynamic and interesting, systematic. We will see the output of both the example. So first output you can see Mera Bharat Mahan. So Mera is placed at the left side, Bharat at the center and Mahan towards right. In second example, we have used paragraph tag and BR tag. Now we will discuss base font and font tag. Base font is an empty element. It defines base font size, attribute, size, face, color. It contains nothing. Font, it is a container element. Function, set the font size for text. Attributes, size, face, color. It contains text. The base font tag takes the same attributes as font but affects all the text that follows it until a new tag affecting that is encountered. Thus, it should be used for default setting of the text. Font only affects text up to closing, that is /font. Font tag lets one define size, style, and color of a short segment of text. Once /font is reached, the following text is rendered in default font size set by base font. Now we will discuss example related to base font and font. So here you can see base font is used and along with base font size attribute is used. So the size attribute is applied to the text following it. Now font tag is a very useful tag. So along with font tag, here we have used attributes, size, color and face. With face, we are using more than one font style, Broadway, Arial, Albertus. So first it will search Broadway. If Broadway is there, it will be applied. So then in this way, we will find the output. So here you can see the font in blue color and Broadway is applied and the font, all the attributes are applied. So in this way we can use font tag and its attributes. So students, today we have discussed paragraph tag, BR tag, font tag and base font tag. In the coming video, we'll be studying more tags related to HTML. Till then, stay safe, stay home and take a good care of yourself. Thank you.
ओ देश मेरे तू जीता रहे तूने शेर के बच्चे पाले, एक लाल हुआ बलिदान तो क्या 100 लाल तेरे रखवाले हैं। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ देश मेरे